Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today I have a super exciting unboxing planned. We are going to be taking a look at our brand new Precision 5680 mobile workstation. Now I am pumped because this is the first time we have a 16-inch form factor in our 5000 series. So our 15.6-inch device is going to grow 0.4 inches, which is not a lot, to 16.0, and our 17-inch 5770 is going to collapse down to that 16-inch form factor. So I am pumped. Let's take a look. So we're going to go ahead and pop the seal. Grab a knife to be safe. Place this down and we open up the box, which is great. So inside that you will see we've got another box with the actual equipment. Place this down aside and pull the seal. We've got the device here. Ooh, pretty slick. We got the device in here, which I can't wait to open up. You do have your warranty, safety, regulatory information right here. You do have a USB Type A to USB Type C dongle. And holy, look at the size of this power brick. This is one of our brand new 100-watt AC adapters. Now, because you can put so much compute in the 5680, the size of your AC adapter is going to be dependent on config. But it's incredible to see the work that we've done with regards to our adapters. Let's go take a look at the device. I'm so pumped. So we'll place that down here. Ooh-wee, look at this thing. It is pretty sweet. So you've got the device over here. You will see we have a full-size HDMI jack, which is absolutely awesome. You do have your microphone jack, 3.5mm headset jack. You do have your two Thunderbolt ports, and then another one over here, and a lock slot, and then your SD card reader. Taking a look at the top of the device. Wow. This thing is so sweet. We do have a fully redesigned glass-like touchpad, which is great. Top-firing speakers. Definitely some redesigns on the keyboard itself. You do have additional fan venting. This is pretty slick. Now, I just wanted to do a quick comparison of a 15.6-inch device versus this 16-inch device. So you will see that it does grow slightly, but for the advantage from a screen size perspective, it is absolutely stellar. So from a specs perspective, you got a brand new 16.0-inch device. This will have 13th generation Raptor Lake H-series processors, a lot of memory, a lot of storage. From a graphics card perspective, this is what's amazing is we can support up to a 5000 class GPU, which is mind-blowing to think that we can fit it in a device like this. But hey, that means that this device is now ready for VR. We do have the discrete graphics special mode that we can apply at the BIOS and, pump these ports directly to that GPU. But that is it. This is our Precision 5680, the brand new 16-inch thin and light device. Check it out. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Take care.